while we take this walk, there was something I wanted to talk about, and that is, why do I have this channel in English? I hope my eyes are clean, because it's going to be an important video, and then I don't want to find out while editing that I was not looking good. So there is something important that I wanted to talk about, and that is why this channel is in English. Many people tell me that I'm showing all these Indian villages, and people in villages may not even understand English. People have told me that if I have the content in Hindi, my channel would grow faster. It would be more difficult to find a large audience in India who would watch English content. And some people have also said that I hate my country, or I hate my language, and I hate Hindi. That's why I don't want to make content in Hindi. That is ridiculous. So I want to tell you why this channel is in English, and why I will most likely keep it that way. Again, this is what I'm thinking right now. So I'm going to tell you my current thought process. Later on, if something changes, don't come pouncing on me. You said this and now you're doing this, so you're fake and this and that. Online world is cruel, you know. So people can say anything. The reason why I don't make videos in Hindi is because it's too easy. I know it's counterintuitive. It's because it's easy for me to speak Hindi. I don't want to make videos in Hindi, because the whole reason why I started this channel was that, okay, let me give you some background. I was a very shy, kind, and introvert person since childhood. Not of late, of course. Since childhood, I grew as an introvert. Now most introverts, because everybody wants to be heroes in their own life story, so introverts would say, the shoes are making this sound, okay? Just bear with that. So introverts would say, being introvert is good. There are these benefits of introversion. Introverts have these positive qualities, and this is why introverts are better than extroverts, and all that. Everybody would justify the way that they are. Extroverts would have their own reasons for why being extrovert is good. But I don't do that, because I am a critical thinker. So I grew up as an introvert. While there are benefits of being introvert, I can also acknowledge the drawbacks, the shortcomings, the disadvantages of being an introvert, and the benefits or the good parts of being an extrovert. And I don't believe in true nature or true self. Okay, this is your true self and this is how you are, and you cannot change, and you don't want to change, you should not want to change. No. If I can acknowledge the benefits of being an extrovert and why being extrovert is better than being an introvert, I would want to be that. So for 3, 4, 5 years maybe, I've been working on self-improvement, and I've improved a lot in a lot of areas in life. I'm very happy about that. So because I'm on this journey of self-improvement, constant and it's something that never ends. People may think that you are very good at everything, but still, personally, you can still continue your journey of self-improvement. That's how it is. So because I am on this journey of self-improvement, I was watching these videos, travel vlogging, Harold Boulder, Bald Bankrupt. I think a couple of years ago I discovered them, and then for a while I was watching them, and then this idea hit upon me that, you know what, I like traveling, and these people are vlogging also, and they are making such interesting content, and I am liking that content so much, and they have so many subscribers, so obviously people are liking this kind of content. What if I can do this? And I was even more motivated to do that, because being able to vlog would require me to be an extrovert. Now I was already maybe halfway or more on that path, but if I start vlogging now, it would just expedite my journey towards extroversion in this particular area where I'm trying to change my core nature from being an introvert to an extrovert. So that was the main push why I decided to start vlogging, because vlogging for a person who is at core who grew up as introvert, vlogging is impossible. It's impossible because this is the ultimate show of extroversion. You cannot vlog like this in a public place. You cannot talk to people. You cannot invade their homes the way I do now. You cannot talk to people the way I do now on camera if you are an introvert and shy person. So because it was difficult, I started vlogging. So the whole point of starting to vlog is because it is not easy for the type of person that I used to be. Because my philosophy, my brand now, if I can say so, is doing difficult things. If I see two options, option one is easy, option two is difficult, it's a no-brainer for me. Which one I'll pick? I'll pick option number two, which is difficult, because unless and until you attempt and do things which are difficult, there's no way you can grow. You will stay stagnant, and now being stagnant is sin for me. As a human being, you have to grow. So now I gave you the background about vlogging and about my philosophy, where it is coming from. Now if you tie this to my choosing of the language for vlogging, I have two options: English, Hindi. Hindi is too easy. Why is it Hindi? Why is it easy? Because it's my national language. Contrary to what some people think, some crazy people think that I hate my nation or hate my language, I love speaking Hindi. And my native language, the language of my native place, is Gujarati, which also I love. So I think my proficiency level in Hindi and Gujarati may be the same, which is like expert level, because my education was in Gujarati. Hindi, it's the national language. All the movies that I've been watching in my childhood, Hindi movies, Bollywood, I'm an expert at that language. Now English, I have not even done my schooling in English language. I taught myself English when I was 15, when I completed high school and entered the first year of college. I could not understand. I could understand English a little, but I could not understand the study books. The curriculum books were in English. I could not understand them. That was my struggle. I was in panic. I was in panic because my exams were approaching, first year of college. Everything was in English now. I remember that period where I could not understand my study books and I was so worried and tensed. How will I clear the exams now, because I'm not able to understand my curriculum, my study books. From there I decided that I want to master English, and I started watching English movies with subtitles. I started reading novels. I had 4 or 5 piles of books, this big piles of English books, which I collected over 3 to 4 years. I read all the books. I was crazily into reading English books, crazily into watching English movies with subtitles. And by the time I graduated, my English was there. But there was still one problem. I could not speak. I learned English, but I could not speak English. Then I told myself, I'll work in a call center. I entered call center industry because I wanted to be able to speak English. Because in call center you be on calls, you speak English with foreigners. We will not go into the details of it right now, but yeah, you basically talk to the people from the US, the UK, Australia. I also worked in a company where I was taking calls from Australia. I did that so that I can speak English, I can develop fluency in English. Now, fast forward to today. You may think that now he's able to speak English. He speaks fluently, he speaks well. And I'm happy if you think that. But I know, in my mind, it is still a little bit of struggle. A little bit of struggle. I won't say it's a big struggle. No. Now I can think in English. It's been a while now since I reached this level. But English does not come as easily as Hindi. The amount of words, the amount of vocabulary that I have in Hindi and Gujarati, and the fluidity with which I can speak my own languages like Hindi and Gujarati, that's not the case with English. I have vast vocabulary in English, okay? But compared to Hindi and Gujarati, I have limited vocabulary. And it's not even about vocabulary. I may have vocabulary, but if you are not constantly speaking that language with everyone around you 24/7, it's not going to come as easily. So there is still a little bit of struggle in my mind. It may not be palpable, or it may not be apparent to you, but it does not come as easily as Hindi. So I had 2 choices, Hindi or Gujarati, Hindi or English. It's a no-brainer for me which language I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose English. So that's the reason, guys, that's the reason that this channel is in English. And as I said, this is my current thought process. And because I don't believe in true nature, or that you are this person and you will always be like this, your thoughts keep changing. Your thoughts keep changing. Tomorrow, if I get new ideas, if I get new reasons, or if I find new reasons why I want to now start blogging in Hindi, it may change. But I'll say this, it's unlikely that I'll change that. In fact, I'm learning Spanish now. So you may see me vlogging in Spanish. One day I will think, now my English is good. I've been vlogging for years in English. Now I have another language which I want to practice. I may go to Latin American countries, and I've made a few friends there now. So I am definitely going to go there. And when I go there, I may start vlogging in Spanish. And then that would become my preferred option, because it will be a difficult option. So while you can watch in English, you want to watch in English. And if you are someone who prefers watching Hindi content, okay, if you are thinking, I wish DC Traveler would be speaking Hindi on vlogs, my friend, let me tell you, English, you can't deny the importance of English language. If your English is weak, and if that's the reason you prefer watching Hindi content, I would tell you to do against it. I would say you should actually prefer watching English content because you find it difficult. Because you find it difficult to understand. Because, is it recording? Because it's gone too long. Yeah, it's recording. Now, because you find difficult to understand English, that's the reason you should watch more of English content. And you should watch this channel especially because my English, because I've taught myself English, so my English is not very high level. I make sure to use simple language, simple English. That's another one of my philosophies, which I will not go into because this video will be too long then. But I believe in keeping things simple. The most effective communication is done using simplest words that anyone can understand. So that's how my channel is going to be. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about because I keep hearing this a lot.